Welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set up a payment plan for Trine University. So I have received several questions. One is, when is the semester starting for spring 2026? So the semester or the classes are starting on Monday, January 5, 2026. So when is the fee payment due? The fee payment is due the Friday before the start of the classes. So that would be January 2, 2026. That would be the first Friday or the closest Friday before the start of the classes. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how to set up a payment plan on the Trine portal so that the payment takes place in 4 payments or 5 equal payments every month. Let's log into the Trine portal, which is myportal.trine.edu/ics/student. Click on login. Please provide your username and password so that you are able to successfully log into your student portal. Now you need to go to student tab. So this is the student tab. You have student account center. Click on it. It goes inside and here you see view or pay my bill. Click on this. There is a button which states set up a payment plan. So you need to click on this in order to set up a payment plan. But first you can see that for spring 2026, the current charges is around $3,450. Now this is not including the student insurance because I have insurance from outside. So $3,450 is just for the tuition fee, and this is for 4 months. Now if you are going to take this course in about 5 semesters, so that you have to multiply with 5, so that would come around 17 to $20,000 for a total fee of the program, which is MBA program. And I'm not including the student health insurance cost in this, and I'm also not including the student living cost in this. So let's proceed with the payment plan. Click on set up a payment plan. Now it's asking whether you are a student or authorized payer. If someone is paying on your behalf, you must first set them as an authorized payer. If you are paying behalf on for student, the student must set up their account. Okay. If you have used Nelnet before, simply sign in to manage your account. If you are new to Nelnet, click on create a username and password button to create an online account. Since I have already created an Nelnet account before, so I am going to click on begin. This is basically taking me inside. These are the details here of the student and the name and the email address. Click on next. Now here it is showing the student account balance. You need to click on next. It is asking for the payment plan options. You can have the number of payments as 4, which starts in January 2026, or you can have number of payments equal to 3, which is starting from February 2026. And each month the payment amount would be $862 every month, which is on 15th of the month. The last day to enroll in a 4 payment plan is 30th of December. Actually, I have missed the deadline of the 5 payment plan, which was 11 December 2025. Okay, and here we have the enrollment fee of $35. So please remember that the monthly payment plan is 0% interest, but in order to set up a monthly payment plan, you would have to pay a one-time fee of $35. Click on next. I need to select a payment schedule, so let's select 4-month schedule. Click on next. There is a non-refundable payment plan enrollment fee to participate in the option. Okay, I understand that it is $35 and it is due today, and I need to click on pay using one of my account details. So what I'm going to do is, I have already given my ACH and the bank account information. So I'll click on the drop down menu and select my account and click on next. So I prefer to use check-in or savings account because there is no fee associated with it. But if I'm going to use credit card or debit card, then there is a fee of 2.85%. I have given my account details and the routing number. Now it's asking for the payment schedule. What day do you want the future scheduled payments to be on? I would like to select always the later option, so I select 15th. So that means on January 15 I'm gonna pay $862, and February, March and April every month $862 will be paid from the bank account, and I'm selecting check-in or savings account in order to save the fee that exists on debit card or credit card transaction. So I need to click on next. At this page, it is asking me to review and authorize, and finally click on next. I have verified all the details. Now I would have to click the checkbox. I have read and accept the terms and conditions of this payment plan. Then finally click on authorize. Now this completes the setup of a payment plan for Trine University. I need to print this for a copy of my records, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel.